gone for most of my life, bro.
Here she comes walking down the street. Maddie Klein, every fabulous loving machine.
Oh.
But it's so zoomed in. You have to film from like you have to film from like 20 feet away.
Wait, that's so nice. Hello.
It's probably like hella zoomed in.
It is.
But you can see yourself.
Oh,
Oh, you got long arms.
I have longer arms than you.
Whenever I hold it, it's like.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Welcome to Mike's room.
Messy shit right here. My closet. Oh, it's so zoomed in. Fuck.
Oh, that's it.
Will you zoom in more?
Yes.
Okay, my computer. Tattoo set up right there.
What?
Water jugs.
Oh, a tattoo. Give me a tattoo right now.
Dead ass. My futon that I'm selling with a bunch of clothes on it. My bed. Shoes. Okay.
How long would it take you? Okay. I lost count.
But you just did some. Aren't you gonna be like fucked up?
I know. I think I'm weak now.
You have to get better rest.
I've gotten you food.
Yes.
Plenty of times.
You were gone for most of my life, bro.
Don't call me big ever again.
You were gone for most of my life.
I am not your big.
I know.
I was gone because I was working. It's not my fault.
Okay.
Dude, look, when I hold it, it's so good. I hate this. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors for food because we've been arguing. Who paid more? I did.
No, you did not.
But I'm gonna give him a chance. Thank you. Okay, are you ready? That's settled.
200.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Thank you, Mike. Let's go. I don't know this camera. I don't even know if it's actually gonna like work.
I like the film, like the graininess of it.
Right? That's why I got it. Aww, imaginary thing. Aww. I can't believe I haven't been to this place, and I was in Richmond for like a year. I am getting $5 from me.
I spent $47.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. Dude, look at the zoom on this. Wait. Bruh. This is the street that I used to live at back at VCU. That's my old house. So many memories here. And there's, what's it called? Kroger. But I'm on my way to Carytown now to meet up with Erica. I haven't seen her in over a year, almost. Time flies.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, good. I'm gonna get these right now. This was my dorm. I lived in a closet. Oh, right here. Stop!
Is this the one where you said it was too big?
No,
Are you gonna?
I returned that one because that thing was like this big.
Okay.
It was actually huge.
I was like, didn't you just get one?
Which one's the flower?
진짜.
Oh my gosh. So cute.
Their platters are.
Oh,
They're huge.
damn. Memories are popping up.
Yeah, they're coming back. and the random.
You wanna watch it? I'm actually down.
Okay, 7. Okay, let's pick our 7.
Oh my god.
Or like 6:45 or something.
Yeah. Bro. Damn.
For Princess Mononoke. Nice. Second or third time.
Oh.